Hello, I would like to start off by saying that I really appreciate the opportunity to make these banners and profile images for Clark State Community College Digital Media. What I have here for the first presentation is the Twitter banner. As you can see, I was going for a stained glass look with a little bit of a 3D effect. I try to make the words pop out by keeping them centered and aligned at least with a edge of each box or each container. For example, the LR here, I would try to keep them to the center and aligned with this edge here. I figured this layout would be entertaining and fun for people to look at. Here is the Twitter profile image. This one also I wanted to keep a little bit of style, and as you can see with the two images I have presented so far, that I also tried to keep the color scheme Clark State colors. I wanted to keep it really resembling Clark State. Now here we have the YouTube banner. I also wanted to keep the YouTube banner and the Twitter banner looking similar. This one is more zoomed into the design of the layout than the Twitter banner, being more showing more of the stained glass look. This here also shows on how the banner will fit into the YouTube banner form. I try to keep Clark State in it, so either you're looking at a desktop, a tablet, the Clark State logo will be showing there. And with the YouTube icon picture, I tried to keep that looking similar while also a little bit different. In this case, the background showing more of the design stained glass look than the Twitter profile image just did. I want to thank you again for letting me work on this project for you, and I appreciate your time.